Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So that means he is following Krishna's direction, that's all. He doesn't mind that I am going to be enemy of Krishna. The principle is that he is following. If Krishna says that you become my enemy, so I can become his enemy. That is Bhakti Yoga. Yes, I want to satisfy Krishna. Just like a master is asking servant that you knock me. Yes. He is knocking that. So that is service. The others may see, oh, he is knocking and he is saying I'm serving. What is it? He is knocking. But master wants that you knock me. That is service. Service means that you obey the order of the master. It doesn't matter what it is. There is a very nice example in Lord Chaitanya's life, that he has his personal servitor, Govinda. So after Lord Chaitanya would take prasadam, then Govinda would take. So one day, Lord Chaitanya, after taking prasadam, he laid down himself on the threshold. What is called threshold? Door. So Govinda crossed him. Govinda used to massage his leg after when he was taking rest. So Govinda crossed Lord Chaitanya and massaged his leg. Then Lord Chaitanya was sleeping, and after half an hour when he got, he said, Govinda, you are not taking your prasadam as yet? I know, sir. Why? I cannot cross you. You are lying down here. Now how you can, I can cross. How? You first of all came cross and you are not going crossing. But that I came to serve you. And now I cannot cross to take my prasadam. That is not my duty. That is for myself. And it is for you. So for Krishna's pleasure, you can become his enemy, you can become his friend, you can become anything. That is Bhakti Yoga. Because your aim is how to please Krishna. And as soon as the point comes to please your senses, then you come to material immediately. Krishna bhuliya jiva bhogavan chakare. Pasete mayatare japotiya dhare. As soon as we forget Krishna and we want to do things for our sense gratification, that is Maya. And as soon as you give up the process of sense gratification and do everything for Krishna, that is liberation.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna